Here we are discussing the criteria of similar triangle. The last year we studied when we say the triangles are congruent, correct? If they satisfy some property, then we conclude they are congruent. And like here also we are discussing when we say the triangles are similar. We have the four criteria for saying the triangles are similar. Already we know what is the property of similar triangle. What is that? If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Correct. That is the property of similar triangle. Then here, now we are discussing when we conclude that triangles are similar. The first one, the first rule we read it as A similarity criteria. A means angle, angle, angle. What is angle similarity criteria? Yes, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Okay, that is very clear. What is that? If two triangles are similar is possible when the first condition their corresponding angles are equal. That we know that. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, there is very clear the vertex A is corresponding to X, B is corresponding to Y, and C is corresponding to Z. So, as based on the first similarity criteria, when we say the triangles are similar, if angle A is equal to angle X, angle B is equal to angle Y, and angle C is equal to angle Z. Therefore, we conclude what we conclude: triangle ABC similar to triangle XYZ. Okay, this is the rule of first one. Okay, then what is that? In the case of two triangles, when we conclude the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal, so we conclude what they are similar. Okay, that is the first rule. Then what is the second one? The second one is just uh, the second one is AA similarity criteria. Okay, there is no difference in the case of AAA and AA similarity criteria. Then what is AA similarity criteria? That is angle similarity criteria. Okay, that means in the case of a triangle, we know that if we have the triangle A B C and triangle X Y Z, okay, X Y Z. Suppose angle A is equal to 30 degree and angle B is equal to 50 degree. Then here angle X is equal to 30 and angle Y is equal to 50. Then it's very clear what is the value of angle C. Angle C is equal to 100. Correct. Why? The total of the angles is equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 100. Then what is the angle value of Z? Angle value of Z is also 100. So it's very clear, if the two angles of a triangles are equal, then surely the third one is also equal. Correct? ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ മക്കൾ ഏത് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും? അതിന്റെ മൂന്നാമത്തെ ആംഗിളും ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. So this AA means if the two angles are equal, then is very clearly the third one is also equal. Okay, very sure that ones. So for proving the similarity is enough to get two angles are equal, then automatically what we get, the third angles is equal there. Okay, so is most commonly we applying the idea not AAA, we applying here AA similarity, because there is enough to get the two angles are equal. Okay, Then what is AA similarity criteria? Two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle. Then the triangles are similar. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് ആംഗിള് മറ്റൊരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് ആംഗിളിന് ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും മക്കളെ? സിമിലർ ആയിരിക്കും. കാരണം എന്താ? രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് ഏതും ഈക്വൽ ആകും, മൂന്നാമത്തതും ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ദിസ് ദ റൂൾ വി യൂസ് മോസ്റ്റ് കോമൺലി ആസ് കമ്പയറിംഗ് എ. ഓക്കെ, what is a similarity criteria? If two angles of one triangle is equal to two angles of other triangle, then the triangles are similar. Okay, then we go the next criteria, that one is yes similarity criteria. Then we know what is denoting yes side. We know what is denoting yes. It's very clear. Yes means side. Okay, then the third criteria is side similarity criteria. Okay, then what is that? If in two triangles their corresponding sides are proportional, not equal, proportional means they are in the same ratio, then the triangles are similar. Okay, what is that? If in two triangles the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then the triangles are similar. Okay, that one as the example, we know that idea. What is that? In example, PQR and triangle TU. Okay, triangle STU. What are the corresponding sides? The corresponding sides are PQ is corresponding to ST, correct, and PR is corresponding to SU, and QR is corresponding to TU. Okay, PQR and STU is the name of triangle. Then PQ is corresponding to ST, PR is corresponding to SU, and QR is corresponding to TU. Correct. Then what is the rule? The rule is says if the corresponding sides are proportional, that means if PQ by ST is equal to PR by SU is equal to QR by TU. Okay, if we get the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal, that means they are proportional, so we conclude the triangles are similar. Okay, then we go the last one, that one is SAS similarity criteria. We know what is SAS means side angle side. Okay, then what is SAS? If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. Okay, എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ ഒരു ആംഗിള് മറ്റൊരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ ഒരു ആംഗിളിന് ഈക്വൽ ആവുകയും ഏതൊക്കെ സൈഡുകൾ ചേരുമ്പോഴാണോ ആ ആംഗിൾസ് കിട്ടുന്നത് ആ സൈഡ്സ് പ്രൊപ്പോർഷണൽ ആവുകയും ചെയ്താൽ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? സിമിലർ ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, that means in the case ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, then what is SAS? SAS says if angle C is equal to angle P. Okay, what it says? If angle C is equal to angle P. So the next we taking what are the sides including these angles. What are the sides including these angles? What are they? The sides including these angles. Angle C is AC and BC. The sides including the angle P is PR and PQ. So next we verifying these sides are proportional. Okay, AC by PR is equal for BC by PQ. Then if the answer is yes and PR, sorry, AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Okay, if we get the ratios are also equal, the ratios are also equal, so we conclude that triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Okay, sometimes we not get like this. Sometimes AC, the ratios of AC and the PQ are equal for AB and PR. Okay, here is not say the corresponding sides. The property says only this much, that if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, ആ angles ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന sides എന്തായാൽ മതി, proportional ആയാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, അതെങ്ങനെയും ആവാം, ഓർഡർ ആവാം, ഓർഡർ മാറാം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ എ സി ബൈ പി ആർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എ ബി ബൈ പി ക്യു എന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നതിന് പകരം തിരിച്ചെങ്ങനെയും വരാം, എ സി ബൈ പി ക്യു ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എ ബി ബൈ പി ആർ. Okay, if the two sides are proportional and including angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. That is the rule of SAS. Okay, I think you got it. The first question is like this. In figure, if PQ parallel to Rs, prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Okay. So, here is very clear. We want to show these two triangles are similar. For proving that is given the idea PQ is parallel to Rs. Okay. PQ is parallel to Rs. Then how to we prove? Yes, is given. It's very easy. Given. Here is given PQ parallel to R. Correct. PQ parallel to R. That means P is corresponding to R, Q is corresponding to S. Then these two lines are parallel lines and is cut by the transversal QR. Okay, is cut by the transversal QR. Then there exists the angle PQO and angle SRO. Is very clear. The angles are alternate integer angles, so they are equal. Correct. So what is next? Therefore, angle PQO is equal to angle SRO. SRO. Why? Since alternate interior angle. Correct. The same idea is PQ is parallel to Rs and PS is a transversal. So we get the angle QPO. Correct. QPO and angle RSO. So these two angles also equal. Why? The reason is same. They are alternate integer angle. Correct. Then angle QPO is equal to angle RSO. What is the reason of both? Since alternate interior angle. What is the reason of both? Alternate integer angle. Now is possible to say that triangles are similar. Correct. Why? Because of the rule AA similarity criteria. Okay, only these two are we get the equal here. No, we get angle POQ is equal to angle SOR. Why these angles are equal? These two angles are equal by the idea vertically opposite angle. Correct. Angle POQ and angle SOR are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. If we choose that also, then what is the rule we write here? The rule is AAA similarity criteria. Okay, നമ്മൾ ആ മൂന്നാമത്തെ ആംഗിൾ കൂടി എടുത്താൽ നമ്മൾ റൂൾ ഏതായിരിക്കും? AAA similarity criteria. So for saying the similarity is enough to get the two angles are equal. We already got it there. So on the base of this we saying, therefore triangle POQ is similar triangle SOR. What is the rule? By AA similarity criteria. By AA, that is enough. By AA, I just write AA similarity criteria. Okay, so we got the result. Triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. As like we want to show that triangles are similar. Okay, by use any one of the idea. I think you got it. The second question is like this: observe figure and then find angle P. Okay, observe the figures and find the value of P. Okay, for finding the angle value P is not given any angle value in the triangle PQR. Okay, so before but is given the angle value of A, B, C, then it's possible to find the angle value of C here. Correct. Then if angle value C is equal to angle value of P, then it's very clear it's possible to say the value of P. അല്ലേ? എ ബി സി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ മക്കളെ നമുക്ക് അതിന്റെ മൂന്നാമത്തെ ആംഗിൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഇനി ആംഗിൾ വാല്യൂ സി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പിക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഏതിന്റെ വാല്യൂ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും? പിയുടെ വാല്യൂ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും. ബട്ട് ഇസ് നോട്ട് ഗിവൺ ദ ആംഗിൾ വാല്യൂ സി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ആംഗിൾ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് പി. Then how do we get the angle C is equal to angle P? That's possible only in the case of the triangle. If we prove that triangles are similar, എപ്പോഴാണ് അത് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുക? The triangles similar ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം. Okay, then how do we say these two triangles are similar on the base of which rule we want to follow? Which rule we want to follow here? The first one, second one, third one, or fourth one? How to identify? Then what are given in these two triangles? Here is given the angles and side, but in this triangle is not given any angle measurement. So it's not possible to apply any angle based idea there. Correct? Because in the second triangle we not have any angle. So in the both triangle we have only the side measurement. Correct? Side measurement. So it's very clear we want to prove the similarity of these two triangles by using the rule S. Why? Because we know only the side measurements of both triangles. Okay, so we doing like this. Then what are corresponding? Maybe a chance. His chance is AC is corresponding to PR. Okay, if they are similar, what are corresponding? The chance only AC is corresponding to PR. Why? Because here is an irrational number. Correct? This is also an irrational number. This one is a decimal number, so this is the decimal number. So the decimal is corresponding to this decimal. That is only the chance. It's not possible to doing the work based on 3.8 and 6 root 3 and 3.8 and 12 like that. Correct? We know the idea. So the chance is only if the triangles are similar. The 3.8 is corresponding to 7.6, 3 root 3 is corresponding to 6 root 3 like that. So we checking that like, okay. So we choosing the triangle like this. Triangle PQR. Then after we write the PQR, triangle PQR and triangle. Then we choosing the triangle in triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle RQP. Okay, triangle RQP. So we have some idea. This one is corresponding to only this, and AB is corresponding to only this one. That is the only possibility. For that, we choose the triangle name as like that. Okay, if we choose the triangle ABC and triangle PQR also is correct. Why? Because now we don't know which sides are corresponding. ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം മക്കളെ. ആംഗിൾ വാല്യൂ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എടുക്കണമെന്നില്ല. ഞാനൊരു ഏകദേശം ഊഹം വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ എടുത്തത്. നിങ്ങൾ സാധാരണ പോലെ എ ബി സി പി ക്യു ആർ എന്ന് എടുത്താലും ഇവിടെ തെറ്റൊന്നുമില്ല. അങ്ങനെ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും തെറ്റൊന്നുമില്ല. കാരണം എന്താ, നമുക്കറിയില്ല ഇപ്പോൾ അത് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് സൈഡ്സ് ആണോ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പി ക്യു ആറും എ ബി സിയും സിമിലർ ആണ് എന്ന് നമുക്കറിയില്ല. ആണോ എന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്രേ. അപ്പോൾ അതിനു മുമ്പേ പേര് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാലും കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല. ഓക്കെ, സോ then what are we checking? A, B, C by R Q B. Then is very clear what are corresponding sides. Then after is very clear what is that? We checking for the ratios of AB and RQ. AB and RQ. What is AB? AB is 3.8 by 7.6. Then is equal to, we change the avoid the decimal value, we multiply by 10. Then 7.6 into 10. Then 38 by 76. Then 38 by 76 is 1 by 2. Correct? Then what is the ratio of AB and RQ? The AB by RQ is equal to 1 by 2. Next we checking the ratios of AC and AC by R. What is AC? AC is 3 root 3 by 6 root 3. Then it's possible to cancel root 3. Correct? Then 3 by 6. What is 3 by 6? 3 by 6 again is possible to reduce. We get 1 by 2. So second ratio also we got it the same 1 by 2. The remaining, the third one, what is that? BC by PQ. BC by PQ is equal to 6 by 12. 6 by 12 is very clear, is 1 by 2. Then what we get? That is AB by RQ is equal to AC by RP is equal to BC by PQ. Correct? Now we got it. The first triangles, the side ratios equal. Now we got it. In these two triangles, the ratios of sides are equal, means the sides are proportional. Correct? So we wrote it, AB by RQ is equal to AC by RP is equal to BC by PQ. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle RQP. What is the rule? By yes, yes, yes. By yes, 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 the triangles are similar. So what are equal? Therefore angle C is equal to angle P. Why? Because we know the idea, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. So we conclude, therefore angle C is equal to angle P. Then how to find angle C? Therefore angle P is equal to, how do we find angle C? Yes, 180 minus 60 plus 8. Then is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. So what is the value of angle P? Angle P is equal to 40 degree. Okay, what is the value of angle P? Angle P is equal to 40 degree. Then how do we get angle P? Because angle C and angle P are equal. Then how do we find angle C? Then we know the total is equal to 180. From that we subtract the sum of 60 and 80. Then we get angle C. That is the same as the angle value of P. Okay.